What's happening, YouTube? Your boy Tech TRX back now with a video, and today we're looking at the Xsense Smart Video Doorbell. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you can notify our next videos to come with different tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out merch below at 130.ca, hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Here we go. This one is from Xsense, and basically this is a 2K 8 4 megapixel HDR technology camera. It also has an ultra wide camera angle up to 170 degrees. It has night vision infrared as well. It has video calling app so that you can call it while you're away from home. And then there's also connections within Alexa and Google Assistant. This is also dust and waterproof up to IP65. Let's open this guy up. Right here, as you can see, very nice packaging. It has the literature right here. There's the camera right here as well. Let's take out this whole thing right there. Xsense more literature right there. It's also this plastic covering. The camera is quite slim and small, which is really good if you want to be more stealth with your doorbell camera there. There's also the mount right there. Different mounting brackets if you want it angled or whatever, or if you want to just lay it flat. There you go. And then this is how you would connect it via USB-C. And then there's also the Ethernet slot right there and the USB slot right there. And there you go. On the bottom here, there's a bunch of accessories as well. There you go. It comes with the controllers right here, power adapter. Comes with a tool as well, screwdriver, really handy to have, and the mounting brackets, screws. There you go. Let's put this all on the side and let's go ahead and install it. So here's the doorbell right here. Let's tear this out. There you go. And here, during the setup, you shouldn't install this just yet. What we need to do is use the USB Type-C on the back, like so that we can set it up freely. Right there. There's also the reset button on this side right here if you ever needed to reset it. There's also the micro SD slot right there. Now if you were to mount it on your doorbell, this would be the two screws that you would install the proprietary wires. There you go. The front is pretty simple as well. There's a camera in the front right here, proximity sensor or motion sensor right there. And then there's also the button for the doorbell. This can be used on existing doorbells, any doorbell that you have, as long as it has 8 to 24 volt, which is most household has, then you'll be able to use it with that. Now let's go ahead and use the USB-C that's provided in the box to power this up so that we can set it up with our phone. There you go. Just plug it in with the USB-C like that, and then plug the USB-A side to a power adapter. Once you plug it in with the USB right there, it'll turn red. Now let's go ahead and install the app. We're just gonna get our phone here. Scan the QR code. There you go. Hit that. And then we're gonna install X Smart View. Hit get. Once you've installed the app, make sure to sign up and sign in. Now we're gonna hit the My Device, add a new device right here, and we're gonna scan the QR code. After we scan the QR code, it'll prompt you to power it on. We already did that, so the camera did say hello. So let's go ahead and hit next, and then if the camera also flashes blue, Let's go ahead and hit next. Now we're just gonna connect it to our Wi-Fi. Make sure the Wi-Fi that you are using is a 2.4 gigahertz, not a 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, or else it won't work. Once it's connected to Wi-Fi, we're gonna use the QR and we're gonna that it's given to us, show it to our camera.
For Wi-Fi configuration, please point the QR code to the camera directly.
Once the camera says Wi-Fi connecting, you can hit next, and then it's gonna connect to our Wi-Fi connection right here, and then it's gonna add it to our app as well. Once it's ready to go, you can go ahead and name your camera. I'm just gonna put front door or back door, it doesn't matter. You can put whatever you want. Once it's ready to go, hit save, and then now it's gonna say that everything is good to go. Now we're just gonna choose what kind of chime do we have. Do you have a mechanical or a digital one? The wiring is the same way, so that's really good. It would tell you as well how to install it right here. Now the installation is real easy. You're just gonna put the two wires and stick it into the existing wires that are already on your mechanical or digital doorbell. This is actually like a remote from the doorbell, so that it will control your chime. Once that's connected, let's go ahead and go back to our camera doorbell, and we're gonna put a camera login. Once all that is done, you can go ahead and use the app now freely with your camera doorbell. Now, as you can see from the app, it's really quite a good quality because it's putting out the 2K resolution there. It's almost like 4K, but it's, halfway there, but it is a lot better than most cameras nowadays. This is also a lot cheaper than most cameras that I've used. And we're gonna go ahead and look at the options here. Here you could see that you could take screenshots, you can take a photo of whatever's going on in your front door or wherever you have this. You can also record videos just like that, just by hitting the record button right there. And once you are done, you can hit it there, and then that footage will be saved. You can also use the microphone so that you can talk to the people who are on your front door or on your back door, wherever you have your doorbell. Here it also has a motion detector and a sound detection. You can change the sensitivity or schedule it to whenever you want it. Here you can also change the orientation of your camera. You could change manually the if you want it during the day or during the night, or you can also put a timer on it. It also has an automatic night shift mode or night mode or a day mode as well. So it doesn't matter anyway. You could just put it on auto. I would just leave it on auto for the most part. I'm just holding the camera right now as well, and it's very responsive, so that's really good. Now let's look at the settings of this camera. What else can it do? Here it says that there's the alarm. There's also the SD card accessible playback right there. If you have an SD card, there's also the alarm settings right here. My plan as well, they have an iCloud base plan, which is, it costs a little bit extra per month, but that's okay. There's also more settings right here, like changing the chime later on if you want to change it right here. If you change your chime from a digital or mechanical or whatever, you can change that right there. There's also the privacy mask, where you can add a block on someone's face or something like that. If you were to give the footage somewhere else and you want to block the face, you can do that as well. This one also has face detection, so that's really good as well. Here in advanced settings, there's a few settings that you can use. They have a lot of features that are added into this camera. As you can see, it also has a battery status, and you can also use it as DC power right there, or you can straight wire it from your doorbell. You can also change the ringtone right here. Change the post notification ring as well. You can connect this with Alexa and Google Home. You just need to add the skill or add the device to your Alexa app and Google Home app, and then you'll be able to do it and control it using that. Now, to install the doorbell, you just need to take off your old doorbell right there. Use the sticker template so that you can drill in the right spot right there. You can use the anchors as well by doing that. Use the screws to mount the mounting plate like so. Once it's all done, wire up the doorbell and you're good to go. And that's it for the day, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new video doorbell. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell as well so you'll be notified of next videos to come. Hit the like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below as well. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a good night. Peace.